Show you the other one, the Sauco. The Sauco and the berries that we make some of our compounds out of. Here is a plant in front of us that is known in Central America by the Spanish-speaking Indians. They call them Sauco. Sauco is a plant that in the berries we find that the mineral of iron is found. Iron phosphate is found in these berries, and these berries are responsible for us reversing a lot of diseases that sits in the blood. It contains iron phosphate. This plant, the Sauco, when it sends its roots into the ground, it converts that oxide mineral into a liquid digestible substance. The process is known as iontrophoresis, or the conversion from a solid to a liquid. And here Mother Nature has converted iron, which is solid, into a berry for you to enjoy. And over here, we find now that the flower, unlike the berries that contain iron phosphate, the flower now is a different chemistry. Here we have potassium phosphate. When the children here in Central America has fever, rest assured that the mother would come here and ask me to give them some of the flower of the Sauco to remove the fever, because it means that inflammation is sitting someplace in the body. And this is extremely effective because of its high content of iron and potassium phosphate, the Sauco.